Good morning everyone. So for this video guys, we are going to book for us to have our PSA certificate using their website sa PSA. Okay, so for us to start with, this is the site or the website. I'm going to put this link also in the description box. All right, so we have here appointment.psa.gov.ph. Okay, so just click that one on the description link sa video. So we're just going to click here for us to have an appointment, because first we need to have this for us to get inside the office or the branch of the PSA. Okay, so we have here marriage, CENOMAR, birth or death. Okay, just click that one. Okay, so we have here the steps. There are 9 steps. If you have enough time, so you can read this one, but if you are in a hurry, so just click this at the bottom part. So I agree for us to get on the next page. So these are the following important reminders. So minors are not allowed to book an appointment, so consider a 1. So if the requesting party is a duly and authorized representative, the copy of the authorization letter, the SPA, affidavit, and copies of the valid ID must be presented and submitted. So provide complete and correct details for applicant. Authorized representative. This appointment and scheduling system allocate slots on a first come first serve basis. So if you are going to read also, these are the guidelines on the issuance of the documents, and we have here also the list of valid IDs. So just click next. So what is the purpose of your appointment? So of course, our main purpose here is to get a copy of the PSA birth certificate. So requirements for first time job seeker. Okay, so there are 2 requirements here, but if you have your valid ID, so that's okay. So next, just click next. Then you're going to choose your region. So if you're from the national capital regions, of course you're going to choose the NCR, but since I'm from region 10, so I'm going to click region 10, and we have also their outlets or branches here. So I'm from Misamis Occidental, so the outlet that is close to my town here in Lupesina is we have your Ozamis. I'm going to click for Ozamis, and we have also their outlet address. So that's in Gaisano South Wing Mall, Ozamis City, Misamis Occidental. So we have your additional instructions, so you can also read that one. Then again, we have the guidelines on the issuance of the certificate, and we have the list of valid IDs. Okay, so you're going to pay for 155 pesos per copy, right? So don't forget, you need to have at least 155 pesos to pay for that one. Okay, so or that's the amount that you need to pay for you to have that copy of your PSA birth certificate. The processing time is we have 1 hour upon the receipt of the request. So you need also to wait at least for 1 hour, or it depends, especially if the outlet is not busy. The next one here, we are going to fill up now those important information here. So I'm going to put my name, then my middle name. Just type also your middle name, then also your last name. I'm going to put my last name. Okay, next also the email. This is very important, so make sure that you can sign in, or you have your access to your email, including the password also, or you know the password of your email. Okay, so they're going to send also a copy or the details here to your email address, or you just put your valid email address and also your mobile number. Okay, so I'm just going to type here my mobile number. So just click here, there's a box, so I agree. All right, so they just click next, and also all right, so there's a code that they're going to send on this number. Please check your number, especially on your inbox, because they're going to send the code. So you're going to type here the code, right? So after verify, or after you enter that code, so we're going to input here or type the necessary details. Alright, so the type of certificate that you want to have, so you can choose here birth, marriage, the certificate of no marriage, the death certificate, and we have the certificate of no death. So of course, our main purpose here is we have to ask for a birth certificate, right? So the relationship, if you're the one who's doing this, and you're also the one who will be there in the PSA office or the satellite, so just put yourself, or if you're doing this one for your spouse, your wife, or your husband, your parents, your kids, right, your grandparents, grandchild, or if you're just an authorized rep or representative. So we have yourself, then click next. If your purpose is not just for one, for example, right, so you're asking for birth and at the same time asking also for my marriage certificate, all right, so you can put here the important information here. Okay, so you can, if it's only one, so that's for birth certificate, and I'm adding another certificate here. At least your purpose of going there is not just for one. Okay, so mas sulit ang biyahe, ang gastos, at time mo if you are doing this, or if you're going there not just for one but for more certificates. All right, so relationship, that's for myself again, so add another certificate. Okay, so if you're done putting all the important information here, so just click next. So this is very important. You're going to select the date and your time of appointment. So today is April 30. As we can see here, today is Wednesday, April 30, 2025. So there are still slots for today. At 2 p.m. there are 2, 3, 23, at 4 p.m. there are still 14 slots for just for this example. I'm just going to change the date, about this coming May 2nd. Okay, so there are many slots for May 2nd, that's on Friday. Okay, so what if I'm going to put here at 8 a.m. so just click here the time, okay, your available time. So for this example, so I'm going to click at 8 a.m. If you are done with that time, so just click here next. Okay, after next, so make sure all the important information here are correct. So we have here, please review the details of your appointment. Keep in mind that this appointment is non-transferable. Okay, so if everything is fine, so I'm just going to click here confirm, right? So confirm, please wait. Okay, so these are the details. So we have here appointment date is on Friday, May 2nd. We have here the time is at 8 a.m. or 8 o'clock in the morning. So you have successfully booked an appointment in PSA CRS outlet Ozamis on Friday at 8 a.m. Okay, so this is also important. So we have here the QR code. You can also picture this one and save this code to your phone. It's 155 per copy. So times 2, that's 310. Okay, so if you are done, you can also download application form. You can also download the application forms here. Okay, or you can print appointment form, or if after you picture that one, you can, if you don't have a printer, okay, how can you print if you don't have a printer? So you just save this one to your laptop. Okay, just click the arrow, or we have this button here, means we're going to download this one, okay, for us to have a copy. And for them to see that we have an appointment date. So just make a file name. So that's PSA appointment for PSA certs. Okay, just click save, so everything is fine. So that's it. You have now an appointment date for your PSA certificates, especially you have here birth and also marriage certificate. So that's all for today. Bye bye. Thank you for watching, guys.